9 minus 1 which equals 8. Here is in the parentheses 4 minus 1 which equals to 3. Okay, then 8 times 3 which equals to 24. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one subtraction here and one multiplication here. In one parenthesis, inside the parenthesis, there is a subtraction. According to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, if we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, 4 minus 1 which equals 3. Then 9 minus 1 times 3. In this expression, there is one subtraction and one multiplication. This multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction because according to Pemdas, multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, therefore we have to do this multiplication first. 1 times 3 which equals to 3. Then 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 which equals to 6. This is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem equals to 6.